Hello friends, welcome to the Ayurvedic channel. Today we will know that foods make the skin healthy and glowing. So number first, carrot. Consuming carrots clean your skin from within and applying it on the face. Remove the marks present on your skin. Regular consumption of carrot juice improves your complexion because carrots contain sufficient amount of vitamin A. Number second are lemon. Lemon has natural bleaching properties. Being a natural lightening agent, it is very beneficial for the skin. This is the reason why lemon is used in cosmetics. Number third are orange. Orange contains plenty of vitamin C, which maintain the complexion of the skin. Consuming orange keeps your skin healthy and it always looks glowing. Number 4. Watermelon. Watermelon contains many antioxidants which prove to be helpful in improving the skin. Along with this, it also keeps away stress and fatigue which makes the skin dry. Number 5. Walnut. Walnut is an excellent beauty tonic which removes common problems like dark circles, dry skin, pimples. Walnut improves blood circulation in the skin, which improves the skin. It contains plenty of omega-3 which makes the facial skin excellent. For such a great information, like the video and subscribe to the channel.